Some important iPhone settings that you need to change if you have a new iPhone. The first one we have is go to the setting and battery and change the settings like mine. Go to charging, set it to 90% and enable optimized battery charging. Then go back to power mode and enable this also on adaptive power notification. And last one is you can enable this battery percentage if you want to see the battery percentage. The next one is if you have an iCloud logged in, go to settings iCloud and turn this off, drive and photos, so that your media and files don't upload to your Apple account. The next one is if your always on display is turn it on, that always your screen is on, which it drains too much battery power. Just go to settings, display and brightness and go to bottom, turn this off. Always on display, just turn it off. And the very last one is go to settings iCloud and then iCloud, then passwords and enable this sync to iPhone so that all your passwords are uploaded to your iCloud account so you never lose them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and ask anything you'd like in the comment.